Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a system restore point on Windows. To enable automatic system updates restore points, press Win+I to open the Windows 11 settings menu. Then navigate to System, then About. Click on System Protection. In the System Properties window, click the Configure button. In the pop-up window, check Turn on System Protection and adjust the max usage of disk space used for system protection. Click the Apply button to save the changes. Once set, every system update will automatically create a new restore point. To create a system restore point manually, type Create a Restore Point into the search bar and press Enter. This will open the System Properties window. In the System Protection tab, click on the drive where Windows is installed, usually C. Ensure that protection status is on. Now, click the Create button to make a new restore point. Give it a name that will help you remember why you created it. Wait a few moments while Windows creates the restore point. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. Now you've successfully created a system restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can use this restore point to revert your system to this exact state. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.